Ona thengia wa Akenya gukorwo magiteta kumana na kuwongerereka gwa thogora wa thitima gutire kamweneni ga thogora uyu gucoka thi amu thirikari ni irutite mukana ati marihi mahinya wa thitima maya kuwongerereka angikorwo riua inene riria ricungiriirie ngaragu no riguthii na mbere na kwara. Mukana uyu uheanitwo ni minista wa mahinya Davis Chirchir akiuga kuri na ugwati wa gukorwo gikiro kia maai ndemu-ini mugwanja iria nene no mathiete na mbere na gucoka thi. Undu uria waya gucungiriria kambuni ya guthondeka thitima ya KenGen kuhinga ndemu ya Masinga na macungiririo kunyihia gikiro kia hinya wa thitima uria urutagwo ndemu-ini ciothe mugwanja.
Only challenges we might get power being slightly expensive, because we are ramping the diesel generation more than we ordinarily should be doing. Diesel is normally used for peaking during the peak times between 6 o'clock in the evening and 10 when our homes light up and industries are running. We need maximum power. Whereas we are very low here, Takwel is slightly much higher because we had a constrained transmission line between Kitale, Otum and Takwel, which we are fixing now, and we should be able to ramp up the generation from Takwel hydro.
Chirchir urio kwaragia ri ndemu-ini ya Kamburu kaunti-ini ya Embu thutha wa icera riake ndemu-ini ya Masinga kaunti-ini ya Machakos augite kambuni ya KenGen yaya gukorwo ikihuthira hinya wa geothermal na dithru niguo kuihuria ithenya ria hinya wa thitima urio rabatarania na undu uyu ugukorwo na goro makiria gukiringithanio na guthondeka thitima kuhitukira maai.
If we have to close Masinga, I guess what the engineers will do is to push all the water down to the cascades to support the generation downstream. We hope we don't have to get there. Fairly diverse, unlike countries like our neighbor Uganda, which is almost 100% hydro, Zambia, which is significantly hydro. Kenya is 30% hydro, about 35%. Geothermal is significant. And geothermal, we are not having any challenges. So what we're basically doing is pushing the other form of generation, and that might include pushing more of the diesel generation, which is a bit expensive, and using the little hydro that we have to meet the requirements for the country.
Ndemu ya Masinga iria thondekaga megawatt 40 igayagira ndemu cia Kamburu, Gitaru, Kindaruma na Kiambere maai. Chirchir akiuga angikorwo icigo cia Mount Kenya iria nikio kihumo kia rui rwa Tana itigokorwo ciamukirite mbura gugikinyeria tariki 10 mweri ukite wetatu, kambuni ya KenGen ndigukorwo igithondeka hinya muingi wa thitima ta hau kabere.
Unless we work on the reforestation of our catchments, unless we work on the climate change issues, so that we can go back to the old days when we used to have good hydrology. Generation by hydro may not really present a future for us, but certainly you are aware of the 15 billion program which is personally run by the president.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni ejitagwo Wagoi wa Muiruri.